Hello, children. Welcome back to English class. Hope all of you are in good health. In this session, we are going to learn from Unit 1 Supplementary Reader. The title is The Envious Neighbor. Do you know the meaning of the words envious and neighbor? Of course, you all know neighbor. A person living next to your house is called neighbor. Am I right? Yes. Then what do you mean by envious? Envious means showing desire for what others have. Can you repeat after me? Envious means showing desire for what others have. And the writer of the story is unknown. It is adapted from Algernon Bertram. This is a Japanese fairy tale about two neighbors. Let's see the characters. And the characters are a generous couple, an envious couple, a pet dog, and the prince. Now we enter into a story. Long ago, an old couple lived in a village. They had no children. They gave their affection to a pet dog. One day, the old man was working in a garden. The dog sniffed at a place and began to bark repeatedly. Being curious if the dog had really found anything, the husband began to dig at a place. He found a huge heavy box full of shining gold pieces. The old couple gathered the treasure and after giving alms to the poor, bought themselves rice fields and corn fields and became wealthy people. The story of the dog and the treasure was learnt by the neighbors of the couple. The neighbor borrowed their dog to try their luck. They were envious. The dog was lent for 2 days. The dog ran out and began to bark at a place. The neighbor began to dig at that place. They found a bag of bad-smelling bones, dirt, and nasty things. The neighbor was angry that the dog tricked him. He picked up an axe and killed the dog. He told the old couple that their dog suddenly fell down and died. The old man weepingly brought the body of the dog and buried it in his house. The dog appeared in his dream. He told the couple to cut down the pine tree on the grave and make a mortar out of it. The old man did as he was told to do. When the season came, the mortar was used to pound the grains. Surprisingly, the grains put in the mortar became shining gold. Once more, the couple were blessed by the dog. When the neighbor learnt about this, he borrowed the mortar to make gold. But when he placed grain in it, it turned into filth. He smashed the mortar in a fit of rage and burnt it. The couple were disturbed when they had learnt about the destruction of their mortar. One night, again the dog appeared in his dream and told him to sprinkle the ashes of the mortar on withered trees. He did carry the ashes and sprinkled it on the bare trees. In an instant, the trees would revive and bloom with flowers. He obeyed the dog as instructed, bringing the dead trees to life. The prince witnessed all this and gave rich presents to the man. The envious neighbor heard all this. His heart was filled with hate. He too tried to exhibit his power in front of the prince. So he collected the ashes of the mortar and sprinkled it on the trees. The ashes turned black and damaged the prince's eyes. The prince ordered the neighbor to be put in prison. The old couple learnt about the distress of their neighbors. They called for them and gave a part of their riches to them. Then the neighbors mended their wicked ways and led a good and virtuous life after that. Let's see few points for understanding. There lived an honest old couple. They had a pet dog. The dog brought treasure to them. In the neighboring house, there lived a covetous old couple. The dog did not bring wealth to the wicked couple. They killed the dog and buried it under a pine tree. The honest couple made mortar using the pine tree. It turned each grain into treasure. For the wicked couple, it gave filth only. They broke mortar into pieces. The honest couple burnt it into ashes. For honest couple, the ashes turned the withered trees alive. The prince rewarded them. For the wicked couple, the ashes flew into the prince's eyes. They were punished. Let's see the moral of the story. Honesty is rewarded, wickedness is punished, and a man is known by his deeds. He who plants kindness gathers love, and he who plants stinginess gathers hatred of others. So, don't be greedy and be kind to all. Hope the lesson was interesting and do the assignments given below the video. Thank you.